Iron. It's the backbone of our civilization, the silent giant that our modern world is built upon. We see it every day, in our buildings, our cars, even in our blood. But how often do we really think about this element that's everywhere? Where did it come from? How did it become such a big part of our lives? The story of iron goes back billions of years, a message from the universe that echoes through time. It's a story of amazing events in space, of scientific discoveries, and of ancient knowledge that still matters today. For centuries, people didn't know where iron on Earth came from. Ancient civilizations thought this metal was amazing, using it to make tools, weapons, and artifacts, but they didn't know its real source. It wasn't until modern science, with its advanced tools and methods, that we started to figure it out. Early scientists, with their simple instruments, paved the way for future discoveries. By carefully studying meteorites, those space rocks that fall to our planet, scientists made an amazing discovery. These space rocks, often seen as just interesting objects, held the answer to iron's true origin. These messengers from space carried the same element that makes up our planet's core and powers our industries: iron. This was a big deal. Iron, so important to human civilization, wasn't from Earth at all. The iron we use every day, the very substance in our blood, came from the hearts of stars that died long ago. These stars, at the end of their lives, exploded as supernovas, scattering iron throughout space. This discovery changed how we see ourselves, reminding us that we are connected to the universe. Every bit of iron, in our blood or in our buildings, shows the universe's grand plan and our place in it. This discovery helped us understand iron better and appreciate the cosmic events that shape our existence. It's interesting that the idea of iron coming from space isn't just a modern idea. Over 1,100 years ago, the Quran, the holy book of Islam, talked about this connection to space. In Surah Al-Hadid, which means the iron, verse 25 says, "And we sent down iron, wherein is great military might and benefits for the people." The words "sent down" are used to describe iron in a book revealed long before modern astronomy. This is really interesting, considering what we know now about where iron comes from. It suggests an understanding of how the universe works, hinting that iron came from space. Iron's trip to Earth is just the start of its story. Unlike other metals easy to find, like copper or gold, which are found in their pure forms, iron was tricky for early humans. Locked inside rocks called ore, its true potential was hidden, needing cleverness and new ideas to unlock. The discovery of smelting, a way to get iron out of ore, was a big moment in human history. It showed how smart humans were, a victory for trying new things and never giving up. Being able to use iron meant we weren't limited to just the materials we could find easily. We could now shape our world, build tools, and create buildings that seemed impossible before. The world was transformed. This was the age of iron. This time was a major turning point in human history, where discovering and using iron changed everything. Iron's impact on civilization is huge. From the simplest tools to the biggest structures, iron became the foundation of progress. It started a new era called the Iron Age, where farming, warfare, and building advanced like never before. Iron's usefulness and strength made it essential. The plough, made of iron, changed farming, making it more efficient and leading to bigger harvests. Farmers could now plant crops on land that was too hard to work with before, leading to more food. Iron weapons and armor changed warfare, deciding which empires rose and fell. Weapons made of iron were strong and effective, giving armies a big advantage. And with iron tools, we built cities, bridges, and monuments that have lasted for centuries. These structures, some still standing today, show how strong iron is. The world we know today, shaped by steel and powered by machines, exists because of this amazing element. The Industrial Revolution made iron even more important, turning it into steel and pushing humanity into a new age of innovation. Iron's influence is everywhere in our civilization, showing how much it can change things. From old tools to modern skyscrapers, iron has always been with us as we progress and develop. Iron is strange. It's both strong and vulnerable. Even though it's strong, iron has a weakness, something that has puzzled scientists and engineers for a long time. While iron is known for lasting a long time, it has a hidden enemy: rust. This reddish-brown coating, formed when iron reacts with oxygen and water, reminds us that even strong things can be delicate. Figuring out how to stop rust has been a constant challenge, leading to new ideas in material science and engineering. From special coatings to stainless steel, we've found clever ways to make iron more resistant and last longer, making sure it remains important in our modern world. Iron's cosmic dance, from stars to civilization. This journey shows how everything in the universe is connected, a story billions of years and countless light years in the making. The story of iron is like a never-ending dance, connecting the vastness of space with the details of life on Earth. From the birth of stars to the creation of planets, iron is a crucial part of everything. It starts in the super-hot centers of stars, where extreme heat and pressure create this element through nuclear fusion. These stellar furnaces are where iron is born, where hydrogen and helium atoms combine to form heavier elements. Supernovas, those incredible star explosions, then scatter iron throughout the universe, providing the ingredients for planets and life. These huge events aren't just endings, but also beginnings, spreading important elements far and wide. Iron found its way to Earth on space rocks, eventually becoming a key part of our planet and even ourselves. Meteorites, leftovers from ancient events in space, brought iron to the young Earth, enriching it. It's amazing to think that the iron in our blood, the iron at the center of our planet, was once inside a star. This element, created in the heart of stars, is now essential to our bodies and our world. The iron in our blood carries oxygen to our cells, keeping us alive, while the iron in Earth's core creates the magnetic field that protects us from harmful radiation from space. Iron's journey from stars to civilization is truly a story of change and connection, reminding us of our place in the universe. The unseen universe. Iron and the mysteries of the cosmos. Even though we've learned a lot about iron, there's still more to discover. Scientists are still studying its role in the universe, from how it affects the formation of planets to its possible link to the origins of life itself. Some scientists even believe that places rich in iron on other planets could be home to alien life, an exciting thought that drives us to keep exploring space. Iron reminds us that the universe is full of wonder, with many secrets waiting to be found. It shows the power of scientific exploration and the never-ending appeal of the unknown. Iron's legacy, shaping the future. As we move further into the 21st century, iron is still shaping our world. From new discoveries in nanotechnology, where tiny iron particles could be used to deliver medicine and clean water, to the creation of eco-friendly building materials using recycled steel, iron is still a leader in innovation. The future of iron is connected to our own. As we work towards a future that's better for the environment and more technologically advanced, this versatile element will definitely play a big part. A universe of wonders, the enduring allure of iron. The story of iron shows us that everything in the universe is connected, a reminder that we are all made from the same stuff as stars. It's a story of scientific breakthroughs, ancient knowledge, and the lasting power of human creativity. But most importantly, it's a story that encourages us to look beyond ourselves, to be amazed by the wonders of space, and to embrace the mysteries that inspire us.